You might not find plumbing fittings exciting, but these Atlantic Fountain Basin kits are actually something special. The two kits, the FBKIT1 and FBKIT3, offer custom-engineered fittings designed to make installing water features as simple as can be. When used to install Atlantic's decorative fountain toppers, such as Oro vases and Basalt columns, these kits fit into Atlantic fountain basins perfectly, eliminating any guesswork and most of the measuring and cutting. They can also seamlessly accommodate the optional Triton ionizer for instant, effective control of organics if required. They're so compact and versatile, you'll probably want to use them in other applications as well. The FBKIT1 installs a single decorative topper on the FB3500 or FB4700 fountain basins. It comes with a 90-degree discharge fitting that attaches to TT series pumps and a single union ball valve for convenient adjustment of water flow. 3 bushings allow the union to accommodate 1-inch and 1.5-inch PVC pipe and tubing. 9 feet of 1-inch flexible PVC is included in the kit for use with Oro vases. Because both the 3500 and 4700 fountain basins have built-in conduit chases for power cords, a simple rubber weather seal slit for a cord is thoughtfully included to keep water out of 1.5-inch conduit. To allow the kit to be used with generic ceramic pieces, a strip of non-hardening putty is included for odd-size holes and aftermarket standpipes. The FBKIT3 plumbs up to 3 toppers, with the 3-way diverter that splits the 1.5-inch output from the pump into 3 valved 3/4-inch outlets. The valves are barbed to accommodate kink-free tubing, 25 feet of which is included with the kit, and have removable handles for easy concealment after adjustment. The diverter snaps into both the FB3500 and FB4700 fountain basins. The FBKIT3 is included with the 2 triple Basalt column kits. The FBKIT1 is included in the Oro vase kits. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Atlantic plumbing kits FBKIT1 and FBKIT3, but we're afraid to ask. Check out our installation and maintenance videos for more information. And don't forget to like us on social media. See you in the next video.